So, long time no see. So right now I'm currently packing my bag to get ready to film a POV video because I've never done one and I've always wanted to do one. So basically what this video is about is I saw a video and it was giving advice on how to be a better photographer.
Real way to get better at photography.
Becoming a better photographer.
Come on, guys. 5 things to instantly step up your photo game.
What are 5 things photographers need to be great at?
5 tips to instantly take better photos.
The phases of our photography journey.
24 ways to be a better photographer.
So I'm following the advice. I see a lot of advice videos and I've always just kind of like brushed past it because I feel like it's kind of dumb and it just doesn't work. So I'm making this video of me actually following that advice. Wow, that autofocus motor is so loud. One thing to kind of, I guess, enhance the purpose of this video is I have an off-brand GoPro, and I guess it kind of just reinforces the whole idea of just doing it instead of thinking about it and overthinking it because I don't have the right gear, I don't have the right skills, I don't have time, it's not day out, and just kind of taking your off-brand GoPro and doing it. So this is what you're gonna be seeing for the POV. I hope it works because this quality is definitely not it. It has a little bit of a greenish tint. I'll throw it up on screen right now. And for you guys, this is my setup I'm doing with my loud ass camera with the loud ass autofocus motor. Anyways, balancing on a candle, very nice, and here's inside my camera bag. Next time you see a clip on this, I will be out shooting in the streets of downtown Plainfield. Oh, sir. Okay, I think it's going. This is Sydney. Say hi, Sydney.
Hi, Sydney.
Alright, let's get going. Oh dang, I did a good job parking. Anyways, slightly rainy out.
Slight drizzle.
Dang, bro, what am I gonna take pictures of? Oh, wow. Okay, I'm in video mode. Totally forgot about that. We took a picture of this scarf right here. Should have brought a polarizer.
We're walking.
We are walking.
Yeah.
These are just warm-up pictures.
Okay.
I know they suck.
Before we get into the real thing,
Exactly.
with the magic of editing.
Let's just zip up my jacket a little.
Colder than you thought?
Yeah. A little bit. Also to kind of hide my camera a little bit more. Because... dude, I just feel like I'm walking around with a bomb strapped to my chest. Ooh, wait, I saw something cool.
Okay. What, benches?
Okay, that doesn't look as cool, but you know what? It's okay.
It's just a dance studio. Yeah.
I really hope my camera can see all this. Because if it can't...
Imagine it's just not taking a video.
I know, right? I don't know why I chose to do this at nighttime.
Yeah, no, Sadie said the same thing.
You told her that we were going to do this? Oh, that's kind of cool, actually. I love how...
Everyone knows you take pictures. It's not a big deal.
I love how urgently you stop. Dude, I have never seen a car with those colored rims. Bruh. Well, I don't know if I'll be able to see that.
W car.
Yeah. Oh, look at the cakes.
That's pretty.
I'm just gonna adjust my settings really quick.
Oh my god, the function is popping right now.
I guess so. That was a really bad picture. Ooh, that's a cool picture. I like that. Wait. Bruh. I can't even like... Oh, manual focus it is.
Browse. Acne. Aesthetics.
Yes, that works. I love Karma.
They have such good food there.
Dang. Yes, I'll take a picture of that guy. Don't mind me, please don't mind me. Oh, that's awkward. I'm in manual focus. Anyways. Oh, that's kind of sick. Yeah, really?
House above it, like, obviously, probably an opera house.
Alright, I'm gonna freaking bump this ISO. Anyways.
We ran out of downtown.
I know. That was freaking quick. Well, I guess we go on the other side and turn around. The side where everyone is.
I feel like the side of this building is oh, we split the tree.
Oops.
That was like Joe from you type shit.
What?
You taking a picture of that like lady at the
Dude.
mall.
Oh yeah, well that other girl got directly in the way of it. And I think she thought I was like taking a picture of her. Go real quick. Not weird at all.
The flowers are pretty.
I think I'm gonna pass on taking pictures of flowers in front of hundreds of people.
Okay, but you'll take a picture of the hundreds of people. It's not the flowers, right?
Oh yeah. Without hesitation.
Fucking Rob tells you, he's like, hey, if your brother's on the side of the
Oh,
house,
that's kinda sick.
Wow.
Hmm.
This is a cool store.
You've never been in Tea Tree?
No.
We've literally been in a Tea Tree before.
Yeah, but in Oswego, right?
Maybe. That was a really bad picture. I'm gonna pretend I never took that. Ooh, that's kind of sick lighting.
Yeah. Why is that place so cute? I want to go in.
What place? That place?
Yeah, that place. I actually do think I bought something from there one time.
That was such a bad picture. Anyways. I feel like that's like my phrase of the day.
What?
That was such a bad
That was
picture.
Such a bad picture. Like over the summer. Our Fortnite flashbacks.
Oh my god. Fortnite.
So what's the difference between like these flowers and the flowers that I like?
Well, these flowers aren't in front of a whole bunch of drunk people who will comment on what you do.
I guess.
Am I right or am I right? Oh, those gnomes are so cute.
They're evil. Have you ever seen Gravity Falls?
Have you ever seen... I couldn't think of anything. I took way too many pictures. A lot more pictures than needed. I thought we'd at least see like a cool car or something. Oh, well, I guess I'll take that picture. Okay, I think that's it.
Alright.
That was a nice little stroll.
This is cute right here, all these lights.
It is cute.
There's like nobody here too. And like look at all of like the trees. You can get the sign for like the restaurant also.
Wait. That's actually a very nice picture.
How big would you be if I'm just like,
Okay, I'm taking so many pictures. Oh my god, the cars are so close to us. What's that?
I'm going on the other side.
I don't think I locked the car, did I? Try to open the door. Oh no, I did. Look at me. Okay, it should be good. So I know for some of you this was a really boring video, but I guess the purpose behind it was to show that photography isn't just banger after banger after banger after banger. It's a lot of really bad photos, or what seemed to be really bad photos at the time, and then just kind of making the best out of it, because I'm sure you'll hear me a lot saying, oh, this is a really bad photo, or I should not have taken that, or something like along those lines. But the truth is that's going to happen as a photographer a lot, and it's just a matter of pushing through it and getting past the awkwardness and actually getting that shot that you were looking for, getting the lighting you wanted, and really just trying to push yourself. So let me know if anyone liked this video, because I'm not really sure how many people are going to see it, but yeah, if you like this style video, I'd love to do it again. I actually had a lot of fun doing it. It was pretty nice editing it because I got to actually see like what my thought processes were like and just kind of like review how I was thinking in the moment. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me.